Imagine a social media platform where users can be sure that the other users they're interacting with are real people as opposed to bots, scammers, or AI. This would not only make the platform more secure, but it would also reduce the spread of misinformation and spam while increasing the security of every user's data. For the social media company, this would mean less fraudulent activity to deal with. Blockchain is a powerful tool that can make a transparent, auditable, tamper-proof, and decentralized system that verifies the identities of users on a network. By using a blockchain-based identity verification system, users can prove that they're who they say they are and that their accounts are not fake or duplicates. Let's dive into an example of a blockchain network that utilizes an identity verification system. Think of a network of users. This network contains unverified users, verifiers, and authenticators. An unverified user is someone who just joined or has an insufficient reputation on the network. To become verified, users must go through the verification process. Verifiers are entities chosen by the network who are responsible for verifying the identities of users. The most ideal examples of verifiers include, but are not limited to, government organizations and universities. Authenticators, on the other hand, review the status or reputation of an unverified user, then decide if that user is qualified to become verified. When you first join the network, you're given a blockchain address, which acts as your online ID. This ID is linked to a public key and private key, which can be thought of as a username and password that are generated for you. Unlike traditional usernames and passwords, these keys are stored on your own device instead of a centralized database, providing a higher level of security by making it more difficult for hackers to access. To become a verified user on the network, you would need to contact network-certified verifiers, which would likely be your government, university, or current company. This would have to be done off-chain, meaning you would do this outside of the blockchain network. These verifiers would then create tokens and transfer them to the blockchain ID you provide them. These tokens are non-transferable once you own them. In this blockchain system, authenticators would also play a critical role in maintaining the integrity of the network by adding blocks that contain details of transactions. This creates a clear and unalterable ledger of all transactions, enabling effective and efficient auditing of the network. Therefore, if a fraud account is discovered on the network, anyone can trace the origin of the tokens that account holds. The verifiers that created those tokens and the authenticator that approved the promotion of that user would be held accountable. A blockchain-based identity verification system could be designed to be interoperable with other platforms and websites, allowing users to easily share their verified identities across the internet. In the beginning of the video, we discussed how a social media company could benefit from this concept by keeping fraud accounts off their platform. They could take it a step further and allow users to show off some of their tokens from well-respected verifiers. Not only that, special permissions or features could be granted to users who are verified on the blockchain network. In conclusion, the concept of using blockchain-based identity verification systems for online platforms has the potential to create a more secure and trustworthy online environment for users. This concept would create new opportunities for businesses and organizations that want to provide secure and efficient online services. Additionally, identity verification could be expanded to other areas such as online voting, e-commerce, and more. Lastly, by using blockchain technology, the identity verification system could be more cost-effective than traditional systems, as it would eliminate the need for a central authority to manage the process. Hopefully you found this video informative. Please leave a comment below with your thoughts on how this concept can improve online interactions. Thank you for watching.